Saved. That sound effect just played.
I heard it.
Did that help you, Beetle?
Yeah, I mean, without that, I don't think we would have.
It's okay to be sad. Just let the sound of Beetle pipes transport you to a better place.
Great. Thank you. Just really like it when you interrupt me with the pipes, you know, it's wonderful.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over the sound of pipes.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, there's nothing funny about that. You need to take a long look in the mirror. Really evaluate yourself.
Sorry, I'm trying to find the humor in your statement, but it seems to have escaped me.
Whatever.
You love.
Was that a question?
Yeah, you didn't finish your sentence. You just said, I love.
I don't think I did.
You 100% did. Maybe you need to look in a mirror.
No, I don't think I did. What's happening out there? Okay. I did not get out of the car.
I'm pretty sure you pressed the button to leave the car, Beetle.
No, I didn't. It just... These guys chill? You chill? Okay.
Beetle, can you get back in the car? Or do I need to take the wheel?
No, we made it to our location, so we will be proceeding with the objective.
Let's proceed then. Someone's life ain't gonna ruin itself.
Exactly.